Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, June 4th. Well, it looks like a generally cool and unsettled week here in the northeastern part of the country. The hot weather has now moved to the middle part of the country, and it'll be confined to the Rocky Mountain states for the next several days, whereas along the northeast coast and along the west coast, it looks like it'll be a little bit cooler than normal. In fact, temperatures here in the upper part of the atmosphere, here in the mid-Atlantic region, are so cool that once the heating from the sunshine occurs over the next few hours, that in turn will heat the ground, which in turn will heat the lower atmosphere, and that will destabilize the atmosphere and increase the chance for some scattered showers and perhaps even thunderstorms both this afternoon as well as the next couple of afternoons, as an upper level trough sits and spins right around the northeastern quadrant of the country. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. Low pressure here at the surface is really making for quite a nasty day here in New England, with a cool, very cool for this time of the year, northeast flow of air combined with some occasional rain. It's quite a nasty day here in New England. Right now it's relatively dry in much of the mid-Atlantic region, at least from Philadelphia on south to the Washington, D.C. area. There are some scattered showers in northern New Jersey, but again, once the heating takes place over the next few hours, where the sun heats the ground, which in turn heats the lower part of the atmosphere, some instability will return to the atmosphere, and there can be a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. The best chance for those scattered showers and thunderstorms will be from late morning right through the afternoon hours. Meanwhile, out across the Rockies, quite a hot weather pattern is setting up. It will reach near 90 degrees in Denver not only today but for much of the week. Quite cool right along the west coast, with some typical early morning fog and clouds giving way to some afternoon sunshine. Well, this is what the current 500 millibar map looks like. This is up in the middle part of the atmosphere, about 18,000 feet high. And this really tells the whole story as far as I'm concerned about the weather situation over the next few days. A big upper level trough here in the northeastern part of the country, and a big upper level trough right along the west coast, with a huge ridge here in the middle part of the country. This will lead to hot weather here in the Rockies, the interior Rockies, with again temperatures pushing 90 degrees not only today near the Denver, Colorado region, but for the rest of the week. Quite cool along the west coast, and quite a nasty few days here in the northeast, with a stiff northeast flow of air in New England combined with some rain and instability showers and thunderstorms throughout the mid-Atlantic region that will last for the next several days. As far as the current radar loop looks like, again, a nasty day here in New England. There's very visible here the rotation going on around this band of rain throughout the northeast. It'll continue to rotate around with a stiff northeast wind throughout New England. Some showers and embedded thunderstorms here in southeastern New York and upstate New Jersey. Will head towards the New York City region over the next few hours, and some scattered showers and thunderstorms will redevelop lower down in the mid-Atlantic region from late morning right through the afternoon. Once that sunshine heats the lower part of the atmosphere, instability will return. So these kind of scattered showers and thunderstorms will exist over the next few days here in the mid-Atlantic region, although much of the time will be rain-free. Here's the NAM North American Mesoscale Model run for tonight from last night's 0Z run. Again, quite a bit of precipitation here in the northeastern quadrant associated with that upper level low that will spin around for the next few days. A good amount of heavy showers and thunderstorms from Missouri on down to Florida, here associated with low pressure area. A few isolated showers and thunderstorms in the Rockies, but for the most part it'll be mostly sunny and hot, with places like Denver reaching 90 degrees. And kind of unusual this time of the year, a decent precipitation maker here in the Pacific Northwest, reaching all the way down into Northern California, but for the most part Southern California will stay dry, other than perhaps a little bit of early morning drizzle associated with the fog and the low clouds during the morning. That'll burn off during the afternoon. So quite unstable along the west coast, and especially here in the northeastern part of the country for the next few days. That's it for now for the SIweather.com. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.